So we're here with Brian in the Samsung booth, checking out the latest in laundry items. Brian, tell us about this wash tower.
So here's our new Bespoke AI laundry hub. So it's gonna have a 4.6 cubic foot washer and a 7.6 cubic foot dryer. Just like we mentioned on a previous product, this does have that auto dispense feature. So it allows that consumer to have up to 34 loads of auto dispense, giving it, that ability to set it, forget about it, and that is based on an 8 to 10 pound load. We do have that center stack piece here, so no more controls up top, able to control both the dryer and the washer as well.
So anybody that may be vertically challenged, it's going to be at a great height. You don't have to worry, to your point, about the controls up high. And
absolutely.
As I'm trying to figure out how this door opens, this is a nice, sleek color.
Yes, very nice sleek. It does come in 3 different color options, but it's based on series. So we have a 500, a 700, and a 900. So it comes in that white, this brushed black, and then the 700 comes in that green color.
What's your favorite feature on this product?
Has to be the auto dispense. I'm the guy that always fills every cycle with just the maximum amount of detergent, even though I know I'm wasting it. But this particular unit will do the work for me, so that's my favorite feature.
And the great part about that dispense system is that it's going to put the proper amount of detergent inside the machine so that there won't be that oversudsing or damaging something internally, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So Samsung has taken the big pain point out and created a great unit.
Takes the guesswork out of laundry.
Awesome. Thank you, Brian.
Absolutely.